Hey YouTube, it's your girl Just Ari here, back with another video. Have you been practicing your ABCs in American Sign Language? I hope so. If you haven't, I have a detailed review on how I teach you guys how to sign in your ABCs. You could definitely check out the link down below in the description box. In this video, I'll just be showing you guys another fun and exciting way to remember your ABCs using story time, and I hope you guys like this video. If you have any other questions, comments, or concerns, you could definitely leave them down in the description box, and don't forget to click that subscribe button. See you guys in my next video. Later.